preparation, it's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have a unboxing review and on-feet look of the Air Jordan 3 Nina Chanel joints. These things different, and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions honestly. But before we get up into the content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy, turn on the notification bell, share the video, comment below. I would greatly appreciate it. Appreciate the love and support you guys have been giving me thus far. At 10K, we right around the corner, man, so I'm excited about that. But now that all that's out the way, let's go ahead and do what we always do. Let's start with this box. Lego. All right, so starting with the box, we got the orange box right here, and this is unique. I love what Nina Chanel and Jordan Brand did with this as far as the abstract look with the Jumpman logo. We got the 2-3 here, Jumpman logo right there, and this did come in women's sizes. So this is a size 14.5, which is a size 13. As you guys can see right here, women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP. Just like I said, unique box right there. You see all the font. I'm gonna go all the way around the box for you guys. There you go. And then on the inside, we do have this paper right here, this special unique paper, and then we have the white paper as well. But then also the quality control sticker right there. And that is pretty much it for the box. As we take a look at the sneaker, the upper is primarily this canvas, this like a mint green canvas, and then we have kind of like a furry darker green here, kind of looks like grass. And then on the back end we do have the Nike Air, that's the same material, that grassy material. Really like the way that looks on the back end. A lot of people are not fond of this back. They say that these kind of look fake, just based on the way that it looks, but I feel like they just make them unique, not a bad thing. Got the orange Jumpman tag right there. The outsole is like this off-white cream color. Got the Air unit right there. On the toe box, we have that same furry material. We have rope woven laces. These are cream, and then it does come with the orange laces also, so I feel like that'll make it a good mix if you want to throw that in there. On the inner side of the shoe, we have the exact same thing right there. Sock liner is going to be a leather, cream leather. Not bad at all. The material is pretty good. You have your orange tag in there that says Nina, as you guys can see. And then on the bottom, we do have hints of that orange, and then that lime green on the off-white cream outsole. One of the biggest things about this sneaker, like I said, it is unique. As you guys can see right here, Jumpman logo is different. Like I said, I feel like they should have did that in orange. I feel like that would have been fire if they would have did that in orange. But then this is the other one right here with the Jumpman tag. No plastic tags right here. You have white and orange, and then if you turn around the other side, it's the original Jumpman logo, so giving us that nostalgia vintage look right there. But insole right here, as you guys can see right here, this is the insole. You have your checker box, orange and white, the green, and then the Jumpman logo right there. Nothing major about that, but all in all, just a very clean shoe in my opinion. Show you guys it. Definitely will be hitting you guys the on-feet. Resale for these things are not bad at all. At first I thought they was gonna do major numbers, but it's sitting right around 300. I think retail was like 225 anyway, so just a little bit above retail. That is it, man. So y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. I did a poll on IG and people was like, nah, I ain't feeling these. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all feeling them on this end. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna hit you guys with the on-feet right now. Make sure you watch the on-feet all the way through. I know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Gone.
If you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack.